Yes, my dear friends, welcome once again to my page. Our work is still in progress. The work was supervising in Lagos. You can see the decking has already been cast and all the necessary things have been done to make sure that the concrete is well placed and compacted. Yeah, so you can see the workers are all doing the needful to put everything in place. So that is it. That's what we are known for. You can see the whole building all over the place. So bring all the construction project you have, bring it, let's get it done for you. Matem Group Construction Limited will handle it. Thank you.